Hey, my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu, we are making delicious vegetable sauce, and trust me, this one goes perfectly with yam, plantain, potato, or even rice. And honestly, you can pair it with anything you love. So before we get started, tell me in the comment section where are you watching me from. I'd love to give you a shout out in my next video. And if this is your first time here, or you've been watching and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join my family here and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my recipes. It's absolutely free. So let's dive into it. So first thing, I'll start by prepping my ingredients. Here I have everything I need for this tasty vegetable sauce. For the vegetables, I'm using green and sand leaves, but feel free to use whatever vegetable you prefer. They've all been washed and nicely sliced. So in a pan, I'm adding some palm oil and allowing it to heat up. Once it's a little hot, I go in with my onions and let it saute for a bit until it softens and releases the nice aroma. Next, I'll add the samba pepper and let it fry properly. After that, I go in with my scotch bonnet pepper, oba, locust beans, crayfish, and dry fish. Now I'll add my seasoning cubes and a little salt to taste. Give it a good stir and let it cook for a few more minutes. At this point, my kitchen is already smelling amazing. Next, I'm adding the scent leaves first because they are a bit tougher. So I stir it in, add a little water, and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I go in with my greens and mix everything together. Thank you so much for watching this video till this moment. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you've not done so. To boost the flavor even more, I'm adding a little crayfish and some chopped onions. Let everything cook together, and guys, this sauce is already looking and smelling good. Thank you so much for watching this video till this moment. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you've not done so. So I paired mine with some boiled yam, which I cooked with salt to taste. Thank you so much for watching this video till this moment. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you've not done so. Just look at that. This vegetable sauce is rich, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. You are all invited to come and eat. Thank you so much for watching this video till this moment. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you've not done so. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.